Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cake using an easy box method. First, gather all your necessary ingredients. 1 box of cake mix, 3 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. Also, make sure you have a mixing bowl, a whisk or electric mixer, and your chosen baking pan ready. Don't forget to preheat your oven to the temperature indicated on the cake mix box, usually around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to combine everything. Pour the entire contents of the cake mix box into your large mixing bowl. Then, add the 3 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. Using a whisk or an electric mixer, beat these ingredients together on medium speed for exactly 2 minutes. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure all ingredients are fully incorporated and the batter is smooth. Before baking, prepare your pan. Grease and lightly flour your 9 by 13-inch baking pan to prevent sticking. Carefully pour the mixed cake batter evenly into the prepared pan. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Once baked, remove your cake from the oven. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps the cake firm up before you move it. Then, carefully invert the cake onto a wire rack to cool completely. Once fully cooled, you can frost and decorate your delicious homemade cake with your favorite toppings. Enjoy your easy-to-make, delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.